For over 30 years, Roam Aire has been assuring the comfort of families in the Palm Beach and Broward counties.
Perseverance.
65% of new customers are personal and professional referrals. We're proud of that and strive towards the highest level of customer satisfaction.
Commitment.
Roam Aire handles the installation and maintenance of AC systems as well as pool heating pumps.
Challenge.
Our staff is expertly trained and fluent in state-of-the-art technology to help serve you better.
Integrity.
Working together.
Whatever the issue is with your AC or pool heating pump, Roam Aire will always rise to the occasion.
Teamwork.
We value your trust and will work with you to keep your systems running smoothly and in perfect order. Our team of technicians is second to none, and our staff will go to any lengths to keep our clients happy. Roam Aire. Let our family take care of your family.